Divide 49 by 2. So here we divide 49 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 2 means 4. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down the number beside this 9 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 4 means 8. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we keep here decimal so that we put here 0. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 49 divided by 2 we get 24.5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.